good paddle. Give me a good paddle on your side. Keep going. Nice. Oh shit, did not see that. There's definitely some rocks. Oh yeah, the fucking waterfall! I would suggest trying to keep your body as centered on this thing as possible. Yeah. To the right. Oh yeah! Hey, you got a paddle, dude? My foot's fucking stuck. Alright, we're good. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit, we're stuck. We gotta go this way. We're fucking... There we go. Ah, shit. We gotta go back upstream right there. Right in between that. It's the right side of the rock. You gotta paddle hard. I think we should just go through this side. See what that's all about. Huh?